Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at the 4:30. Whoa, that was weird. There was like a bunny or something going across the yard. It's 4:30 in the morning here in Oklahoma City, and as you can see, it's snowing pretty significantly. Looking at our snowfall. Pulling our zoom out back. Right here, new snowfall accumulation, and just ground covered again, and right there around the chimney, you can just tell there's a lot more snow on the ground. Roof's covered, and it's a pretty good little storm here. Not as much snow though as the last storm, and we don't anticipate it to be anywhere near the last storm at this time, because it's a little warm. Dry slot is clearing through western Oklahoma right now. Maybe some redevelopment on this winter storm during the early morning hours, but if not, should be very close to very close to about the 10 to 11 o'clock hour by the time this whole thing has done all of its power. So we're going to continue to watch it very, very closely, and we'll get back to you in the morning around, we'll try 8 o'clock and get this next update in. As you can see here, it is currently coming to the 6 o'clock hour here in Oklahoma, 6 o'clock a.m. We are currently looking at radar here. Rain showers back south, and few areas of a light mix going across southern Arkansas. Big snowstorm though from basically north central or northeastern Oklahoma into northwest Arkansas right now. That is where the most significant snow is located. And for Oklahoma City, overnight last night, the first prediction before last night was around 6 to 10, and about 3 to 6 ended up falling here across Oklahoma City. But right now, currently, the last band of snow is going through Oklahoma City. Tulsa's just getting hammered. Just got word from one of our storm trackers up there in Tulsa. He's reporting about about 12 inches right now in Tulsa. We also have another storm tracker located in Ponca City. We're waiting for his report. And we have another one located in Enid, Oklahoma, and Woodward as well. And up in Enid, there's reports of six foot snow drifts. So, and 412 is not closed yet, but likely will be closed within the oncoming hours ahead, due to about 6 foot snow drifts reported along the east-west highway 412 currently going through Enid. Also, up in Woodward, they're reporting about 10 to 12 inches of snow up in the Woodward area with this system. And as we did say, about 3 to 8 inches did fall here across the Oklahoma City, Edmond, and southern sides of Oklahoma City down in the more Norman area. They received about 2 to 5 inches. Nothing really significant across southern Oklahoma at all with this system, even though there was a winter storm warning that was out. That just symbolized the size of this storm. But what did happen with this storm was it slowed down. And when it slowed down, what happened is it caused a stall out over the Texas panhandles, which dropped just amazing amounts of snow out there. We had one report come out of Amarillo from a trucker that we talked to, or one of our storm trackers talked to. We had one report of 5 to 8 foot snow drifts in Amarillo, Texas, with around 16 to 20 inches of snow in Amarillo. And earlier we got a report out of South Kansas, and in South Kansas, South Kansas from Wichita to the Oklahoma border, there were reports of anywhere from 17 to 24 inches of snow. And from Hutchinson, Kansas, we got a report of 24 inches of snow that did fall. So that really shows that this storm system did take a slight turn back to the north, where most of the snowfall did fall. But at this current time, like I said, we are going through the last band here for the Oklahoma City. We're gonna update this. Picture for you. The updated picture puts this storm about 30 minutes away from just being done here across Oklahoma City, and Tulsa looks like snow for you guys for almost another 2 to 2.5 hours, it looks like. I mean, just significant snowfall has already fallen up there. We have storm trackers monitoring this one very closely up there as well, and they're reporting some very, very heavy snow falling up there in Tulsa at this current time. rain showers, like we said earlier, they're across eastern Texas where the air is much warmer. And the low pressure still looks to be back toward the Lubbock area, but is rapidly moving back east now. And it was an incredible storm system overall, and we are monitoring now what is going to be the severe weather season, as this should be the last snowstorm. So, signing off now, I'm Forecaster Snow with AnalystWeathercast.org. Thanks.